Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through starting an LLC in South Carolina, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Well, South Carolina has become increasingly attractive for business owners, and there are some really good reasons for that. You see, the state offers relatively low filing fees, business-friendly regulations, and a growing economy that's particularly welcoming to small businesses. Plus, South Carolina provides some nice tax advantages and has a lower cost of living compared to many other states, which can really help when you're just starting out. Now, let me show you the simplest way to get your LLC up and running. I actually recommend using Taylor Brands for this process. The thing is, they make everything incredibly straightforward and handle all the complicated paperwork for you. So, here's how it works with Taylor Brands. You just visit their website, enter some basic information about your business, like your company name and contact details, and they take care of everything else. I mean, they'll prepare and file your articles of organization, provide registered agent service, which is required in South Carolina, and even help you with additional services like getting your EIN or creating an operating agreement. What's really great about Taylor Brands is their user-friendly platform and comprehensive support. Basically, they're there to help you through every step, and they won't overwhelm you with unnecessary upsells or complicated jargon. I've included a special discount link in the description below if you want to get started with them. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle everything yourself, here's how to do it manually. Choose your LLC name. First things first, you'll need to pick a unique name for your LLC. The name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. You can check name availability through the South Carolina Secretary of State's website. Actually, it's a good idea to have a few backup names in mind, just in case your first choice is taken. Select a registered agent. Well, next up is choosing your registered agent. This person or company must have a physical address in South Carolina and be available during regular business hours to receive legal documents. You can be your own registered agent, but many business owners prefer using a professional service for privacy and convenience. File your articles of organization. Now, this is the big one. You'll need to file your articles of organization with the South Carolina Secretary of State. The filing fee is $110 for online submissions or $100 for paper filings. You'll need to provide information like your LLC's name, principal office address, registered agent information, business purpose, management structure, create an operating agreement. So while South Carolina doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's definitely recommended. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, including ownership percentages, member responsibilities, voting rights, profit distribution, management structure, get your EIN. Then, you'll want to apply for an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. It's free and can be done online in just a few minutes. You'll need this number for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. Handle additional requirements. The thing is, depending on your business type, you might need specific licenses or permits. Check with your local county and city offices to make sure you're fully compliant. Now, let's talk about which method might work best for you. If you're busy, value your time, or just want the peace of mind knowing everything's being handled correctly, then using Taylor Brands is probably your best bet. They'll handle all the paperwork and keep you compliant, making the whole process virtually stress-free. But if you're detail-oriented, comfortable with legal documents, and want to save some money, the DIY route could work well for you. Just remember that it'll require more time and attention to detail to make sure everything's done correctly. Actually, there's one more important thing to mention. After forming your LLC, you'll need to file an annual report and pay a $50 fee to maintain your good standing with the state. You'll also want to keep accurate records and maintain separate business banking accounts. Wrapping things up. Well, there you have it. Whether you choose to go with Taylor Brands or handle everything yourself, you're now equipped with the knowledge to get your South Carolina LLC up and running. If you're ready to take action, just click the link in the description to get started with Taylor Brands. They'll make the whole process smooth and simple, and you can have your LLC formed in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and guides. And hey, if you have any questions about forming an LLC in South Carolina, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business venture.